Alright, so I wanted to record one of my days of going to my college. No more music in my right ear. It's probably not a good idea, but we'll make it happen. Got an entire vlogging setup. Might as well make use of it, right? This is a very bad road to begin with, but whatever. The people in my class decided to just bunk the entire day, but I have a feeling a lot of people are gonna show up after the break, and we have our morning break at like 11 o'clock. So I'm leaving now so I can make it there well before the break ends, and that should be nice. That should give me sufficient time to really judge and decide how many people are gonna be there. And that's another Ather. Nice. I'm just gonna give you a game. Oh yeah, so yeah, I'm on an Ather. This is probably not your usual motovlog. This is definitely not your usual motovlog. It's not a motovlog. Let's do that, and we'll just slow down again. Let's go. Oh, I love wearing out my brakes. I absolutely. Sorry. Bro, who's having an entire conversation about where he is? Okay, I guess. Yeah, Bengaluru. I guess this is the infamous Bengaluru traffic that everyone speaks of, everyone knows, everyone wants to speak of. It's like Bengaluru में drive किया तो सब कुछ आसान हो जाता है, you know. You don't fear driving in any other state, I guess. I don't know. I don't wanna compare. I just know Bangalore. I mean, I know Kerala. I guess I've driven a bit there, and pretty much nowhere else. My God, why is I actually hate getting on the road at around this time of the day because of how slow people are. And I don't mean it in like oh my God, I'm running out of time here. Obviously not. I still have a lot of time. What are you doing? Oh my God. This is gonna be a fun video to watch later. Just see how fucked up it is. Okay, the crow is too low. What? It's like even the airspace has bad traffic here or something, with the crows flying too low. You shouldn't do this. Don't ever do this. Don't ever do this. It's a blind corner. Don't do this. Or you can, and then you get stuck with all this or hit people. Don't do either of that. Don't do any of that. Actually, that was too much anxiety, and I'd rather have avoided it. But yeah, anyway, let's just calm down for a second here, because we're gonna reach let's see, it's like 10:56. We're gonna be at college, and maybe around and maybe around 10:57, 11:03, maybe a little less than that. Oh, I like this road, but then I also don't like it because we're gonna merge into a main road, and Ather and I have to like completely slow down. And for the people who just wondered what I spoke, that was Kannada. That is our regional language, the state language, one of the official languages of the country. And I should say Bengaluru, no, not Bangalore. Why are they all honking? Let me just sneak up over here. This is the same color Ertiga we just saw there. That's funny. It's like carbon copy, just clone the thing, you know. I mean, okay, that's how production works, manufacturing works. I could just sneak past if he went a bit to the left, but he won't. That's a nice Royal Enfield, my God. That's a nice Royal Enfield. I just realized, like, I don't know if I'm recording, and imagine how funny it would be if I'm not recording, but I hope I am, because I don't really get such an opportunity every single day. Today was that we didn't have classes in the morning, so I got extra time, and I'm like, let me make use of extra time, and let me just zoom past you without dying. Okay, buddy, yep, that makes sense. Just like, make a turn whenever you want, don't give a shit about the people around you. And I don't like honking. I should have probably honked there. I should have been like, I'm right here. But you know, I just don't. I don't think much of it either at times. Also, I'm trying this thing where I've kept my visor up a bit to hopefully, be heard by you guys. But that means when I go really quick, I just realize the wind is being channeled through the visor into my eyes, and I can't keep it open. I cannot look without rapidly blinking my eyes. I have to figure out a solution for this, but I don't have a microphone. I don't have a dedicated microphone that I can plug into my GoPro yet. So this is the media mod, just the shotgun mic on the media mod, doing all the heavy lifting. Let's focus on the road. And so we'll just get past all of these people, because it seems like at this time everyone's really chill. Maybe it's like, just like me, how I don't have a major time limit right now. Oh wow, this guy is making his way in a one-way. It's genius thought process. Absolutely genius. Everyone should be like him. Can you imagine how good this state would be if you drove in places you're not supposed to? Holy shit, development, I'm telling you. I'm totally not being sarcastic right now. Let's just get past this as well. This is what I love about the Ather. You get these quick bursts. Oh, this is gonna hurt. Ow. Okay. You get these quick bursts of speed whenever you really need it. And it doesn't really feel like a scooter that way, because like a scooter, you're gonna like pull the throttle and wait for like 10 seconds, and then whoa, you're speeding up. Holy shit, the throttle is doing what it's supposed to. But over here, it's like you just twist and you get proportional power, which is really sweet in a way for like such quick maneuvers. We just want to get past people and not stick for longer. I have to slow down here. Why is he going so slow? Why is everyone always going so slow? Or maybe I should calm down a little and not go so fast either. I don't know, man. I don't know if I'm being arrogant. I don't know. Anyway, we've reached our college, by the way. Our college, my college, whatever. And this is where I usually park, and it's gonna be shit today because the entire college is, well, full, I guess. You can see that there's a lot of vehicles that have already been parked. Okay, so I have to park somewhere here, and I don't like parking in the sun. I'll have to see where I can park as well. Anyways, that's it. We're in the parking lot for my college. This is also one of the main blocks that exists. Okay, I'm just gonna put it here. And well, that begins something in my life.